The bathroom needs to be upgraded, and so some parts of the kitchen, and maybe even the flooring. Should we paint? These are all the questions I get all the time from homeowners who are thinking of putting their property on the market. And some of the things that I mentioned to them as we're walking through the house is, unless you're gonna do a bigger remodel than just one room, like a bathroom or a bedroom or just a kitchen, it may not make sense in this market. First, it's important to get together with your real estate agent so that we can let you know everything that you should be doing to get your property ready for the market. You may not necessarily need to do an entire remodel. It's important to take a look at what has sold around the area, if you may be over improving it for this market and the neighborhood, and also what's gonna be your competition. So here's what I tell my sellers. I let them know that most importantly, you wanna make sure that your home has a very nice curb appeal. Most of the times, if buyers don't like the property outside, they're not gonna like it on the inside. So make sure that when buyers are driving up to your house, it looks lovely. Another tip is changing your hardware around your house. Bathroom hardware, kitchen hardware. Sometimes rusty hardware makes a room look old. And if you install new hardware and some new paint, you're gonna make the room pop. And a deep cleaning goes a long way. And lastly, make sure that you're removing a lot of the clutter and things from the countertops. And if you're removing things from the wall, make sure you're filling in the holes and painting on top and leaving as minimal in the property as possible so that it looks like a canvas to the buyers that walk through.